G'day guys. So today basically is a follow on from yesterday. I had a bit of trouble yesterday, but I ended up getting the UniFi controller installed. I used a script which I found on the internet, which is linked down below. And here we go, we've got our UniFi controller here. It's installed, so I'm going to make it big. We're going to call it controller 1. And basically I'm running this UniFi controller and going to get it going, and then I'm going to try and update it. I don't want to save that. Why is that saying that? Maybe I need a invalid username or password. Alright, Jake. Invalid username or password, that's handy. Why is that an invalid password? Nope. Let's try that. Nope. UniFi Controller, invalid username or password. Well, that's annoying. Restart Firefox then, I suppose. That's fun. Let's call it controller. I agree. Well, that's quite annoying. Let's see what Google says about this. Alright, let's put in a long password and see. Note. Text editor. Longer password 2020 dash exclamation into. Let's try that password. Invalid username or password. What? Oh, sign in with your UniFi account. Oh, maybe I need to make a Ubiquiti account. Oh, let's see. Ubiquiti account. So I'll just create a Ubiquiti account on my other one. Alright, so let's try this. So hopefully I've typed that right. Well, this is annoying. Let's go back. Alright, next. Go back to recommended. Oh, hold on. An email has been sent to me. I'm just doing this on the other screen because I don't want you guys to see my password. So give me a moment and I'll just register this account. Email verification, account verification. Alright, so I can sign into Ubiquiti Online. I'll just move this to a different screen for a moment. Let's try this. I'll call it UniFi Network. Who cares? I don't really care what it's called. That's better. Yep. Automatically optimize my network. I have no devices. Wi-Fi. Country is Australia. Australia, and I am in Melbourne. All right. Send that to Ubiquiti. Cool. So now I've got the controller there. If we sign out of the controller, log out. So I can see it's 5.13.32. Cool, so that works. So let's go UniFi. I'll just flip this over to the other screen so I can get my password. Alright, so what I want to go is UniFi Controller download. .13.32. Oh, is this one on the latest? Damn. 5.13.32. Well, that's annoying. I only really wanted to update this, so that's no good. That's really annoying. Let's try, if I go into the package manager, I'll see if it shows in here. And it does not. Yeah, restart. Damn, well that's not good at all. How will I do this? Let's try this. So if I grab that, paste it in, alright, so I'll uninstall this copy of UniFi and then I'll install an older UniFi. So if we go seed past, we'll get that. So then we go service status UniFi, just to make sure. Cool, it's an unrecognized service. So if we go wget and paste this URL in here, so that's going to download my UniFi installer file, and then what I'll try and do then is I will try and install it with dkpg. So sudo dkpg-i .1. So that's going to be my old one. It's dpkg, I think. That's better. So now this number 1 is the old one. So if I try sudo apt get install -f. Sudo is not spelled that way. Yes. So this is going to get all of the packages that are dependencies and install them, hopefully, and then hopefully it will install the UniFi controller on the old version. So it looks like it might be doing it. This could be useful. And then once that's done, I will try and upgrade it. Service status fi. Let's see if it's running. Might just be running. Looks like it is. Set the risk. Here we go. Let's try setting it up again. So So I'll agree to that. And I'll take this off the screen so you don't see my password. All right, so let's go next, Jake. We'll combine the two into one, why not? We'll set my country to Australia again. And here we go. Yeah, we'll send that to Ubiquity, why not? So if I log out, still at 5.13.32. That's annoying. Service. Ah, that's better. That's annoying. Let's see. Let's go. So we'll do that again. So this should remove UniFi. So now we've got no UniFi service. I will go ls del UniFi underscore sysvent rm, sorry, UniFi rm UniFi. Cool. So now that's gone. Let's make sure I can't access this page again. Good. Now let's get the old UniFi installer. So that's 12.22. We'll download that. Copy the URL. So we'll do wget paste. So that wget just downloads the file from command line, or from the terminal, it's called here in Linux. It's not called command line, that's Windows. So just make sure that's downloaded. And then we'll go dkpg-i UniFi underscore that. Oh, got to do that with a sudo. dpkg. As you can tell from my good Linux commanding, I don't use Linux that much anymore. So then we'll do the sudo apt-get again, which we did earlier. Sudo that, and that will install all the dependencies and also install the UniFi controller, and then hopefully, why is that grabbed 15.13.32 again? Move this again. I don't even care. I'll leave it as US. So I think for some reason this is installing the latest version. 13.32, damn it. That is quite annoying. Let's try this. If we remove UniFi, and I'll try installing it graphically. Well, that didn't do anything. Let's try. How to install an old one. D. Sudo apt get let's find out. Let's try this. Okay. And what was the other thing that we're missing? MongoDB 10 gen. So now if I try and do that, MongoDB 10 gen and Mongo org server. Let's just uninstall UniFi again. Let's try 10 gen. Well, that didn't work. Let's try this. I don't really know what that's going to do. Didn't work. Apt sudo apt get MongoDB -server. Nope. What's it say? Damn. Let's see if I can pick those. Apt. Pick packages. I wonder if this will tell me actually. Here we go. If I do that, yes. Nah, I give up. I've had enough of this. That's annoying me. Anyway, this is the gift that keeps on giving.